Hello everybody. Well, behind me is our John Deere 9996 cotton picker. We've had this since 2012 and we get comments all the time. How or why do you not upgrade to like the new CP770, the new fancy cotton pickers that make the round rolls of cotton? We actually did that. We upgraded this cotton picker. Keithy, come on in here. So it's just as good as the CP770.
Yeah, I mean the only difference between this one and a 770 or a 690 is they've got a monitor in there, color monitor, TV, so you can see what your cotton's doing in the back.
Exactly. So we've installed a camera system.
Yep.
So you can see exactly when you're picking the basket filling up.
Yep.
And that's pretty much like you said, that's the biggest difference from the CP 690, 770 to this.
That's all really. And this is a lot cheaper.
A lot cheaper. Keithy did all the work. We got a great hookup from Visionworks camera systems. So let's hop in here and we'll look at this camera system. And again, practically that's the only difference.
That's the only difference.
It's pretty much it. So we saved a pile of money.
We turned it into a CP770 for cheap.
Very cheap. So just hop up here, Kyle, and we'll see the monitor.
Yeah, I do gotta work on it. Easy to install, man. This thing was turnkey. All the connections was there. Didn't have to splice anything. The only thing you had to splice into was your power wires. All your video cables, all that stuff, prepackaged. Plug it up and let it turn on. You want to see it?
Yeah, let's see it. All right, there it is. Kyle, you're in the shot. What do you mean? You're in the shot. You're still in the shot. I can still see you a little bit. Oh yeah. So now what we can do is we're always having to. So when you're picking cotton, obviously your basket's getting more and more full, and you're constantly, you have to do this. You know, you're looking back to see like how full I am, because if you get it too full, you're just gonna blow out cotton and make a mess. So once you get close, you're constantly breaking your neck. You know, looking back, especially at night, it gets hard. So this monitor, now you don't have to do that. You just look at it and then you say, looks like I'm about full. I should probably stop. But you can tell that, Kyle, you're back in the shot, bud. You're still in it.
How's that?
Nope, you're still in it a little bit. It's a very wide angle. It's a wide angle.
How's that?
Yep, you're out of it. Perfect. But yep, there it is.
Now, we didn't have to, but I chose to build a custom mounting bracket so we could mount it on the console and the armrest. That's a custom item you can build yourself, or if you would like to, you can order them at philrose.com.
It's actually a really good idea.
I can make a jack on those things. Yeah. Take me like 10 minutes to make.
How much should we charge? 75
bucks?
I was thinking 75 bucks. Yep. Look at this custom bracket. And we could paint these brackets to any color you wanted. Alright, so here's the camera. There it is. It's got a magnet mount. I don't want to touch it because Keithy's got it exactly where he wants it. But hey, pop it off, put it where you want it, and she'll stay there. But wait, there is more. But wait, there's more. The Wi-Fi battery-powered camera. So if you're not technical savvy and you don't want to run wires and all that jazz, this guy, you mount it and then it broadcasts the image to your phone via Wi-Fi. Let's check it out. Boom. ReadyVision cameras. Wi-Fi camera. View it on a mobile device. Magnetic base. Night vision. And we've already tried this one out. So, and it's got, what did you say, about a maybe 7-hour battery life max?
Yeah, I've had real good luck with it, but I think when the night vision comes on, it drains the battery a little faster.
Right.
How do we install it? You want to see how to install it?
Yep, let's install it.
Here, zoom in on this, Kyle. It says ReadyVision.
Download the ReadyVision app.
Yeah, once you get it on your phone, you click on it, your holder, and your cup holder. Set your phone in there, tighten it up. Tighten it up like that, squeeze it. Monitor's mounted.
You can always scan the QR code.
Select iPro 2C blah 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 blah. come over here, hit your ReadyVision.
There we are.
And boom, there you are.
Hello. Hello. All right, let's go mount it. Is that about right here? This looks good. Looks good?
The wired camera system. This is the 100% wireless camera system. It's clear. It's clear as a bell. This is one I've been using. Works really good.
See how far I can walk away from it.
Can't go behind the barn. It's gonna die as soon as you go around the corner. I can't believe that thing worked all the way around that barn now. Thing's bad.
Pretty cool. All right, you guys check them out at visionworkscamera.com. Heavy duty cameras, awesome. We've been using the Wi-Fi one. We've used it so far. Love it. Like I say, it's got maybe a 7-hour max battery life is what we got out of it. And it is night vision. So if you're picking cotton at night or whatever you're doing with it, you can see at night. So that's awesome.